on part 4, test number 2, and I am testing this homemade laundry soap that I made on colored garage towels. My wife and I wash a lot of garage towels. We got some dirty dogs, and this batch right here is wet and mildewy smell, so it's going to be a good test. There's a lot of mud and soil and dirt, so good test here before we try it on some real clothes. Um, like test number 1, which I really suggest you go back and watch part 3. Um, you're going to see first batch I just used a tablespoon and a half. Uh, it came out, had no fragrance whatsoever. Things were kind of clean. Again, watch part 3. It'll explain a little more. And the end of this one will explain a little more too. Um, this batch I'm going to try 2 tablespoons, which is up to this little line on this scoop. So we're testing this out and see if it helps any at all. Okay, getting started. This was just like test number 1. I know we like low suds and HE washers, but this is ridiculous. Added more soap this time and even less suds than the first test. I mean, I actually absolutely saw none through all these cycles I went through. So well, let's move on from here. Well, for the sniff test, just like test number 1, there is absolutely no smell. There's no mildew smell, no chemical smells, no fragrance, nothing. It's just smells like nothing. So again, very confused. I upped it a little bit, and this was still a small to medium load and had no smell. So weird. Well, this batch came out just like some liquid detergent I made before. These clothes, or these towels, I should say, came out stiff. Um, there was no softness, but like I said, I didn't use dryer sheets. I didn't use any liquid fabric softener or anything, but I was disappointed in this batch. I mean, again, they came out just stiff. I mean, you could just feel, they felt clean, but still just stiff. Well, the only thing I'm impressed about is the vibrance of the colors. I guess the borax really does boost the color because the colors are there, but there is no noticeable stain removal. I mean, they're clean. It gets out the regular dirt and things like that, but old stains are still there, so it doesn't lift anything new. But again, these are old garage towels. Well, once again, the winner is the store-bought brand. Um, Again, I'm just doing garage towels. Of course, over the years, they've lost their softness and they've got multiple grease stains, oil stains. But so far, I'm not very impressed with this laundry detergent, especially with the fragrance and this last test with the stiffness. Because this has proved to be pretty much a mild detergent, I am going to try it on a load of clothes that actually eBay clothes I'm going to be selling on eBay. So be prepared for that. It's coming soon. Hey, subscribe if you want. Don't. I really don't care. I'm not really doing this for likes and subscriptions. I just like good, accurate information. And I just want to share, and I hope I get shared the same.